Hey guys, hope everyone is in good health. I've got a BKS Euro cylinder. I've taken the back off this, so I've taken the cam, the actuator, and the two clips off that. The reason being is they're steel clips and they were closed tight. It took me like 3.5–4 minutes to get it off. And that was in the middle of a video, so I thought I'd just make the video again. So yeah. There is the key. It was quite comical, the clip removal, but I thought it was a bit, 3.5 minutes is a long time. Yeah, the key is reversible, you might notice. It's a big, thick, chunky, very well made, good quality sort of feel to it. BKS feel to it, actually. Now, only one side of the key is ever active, so the pin side works. It's a normal pin tumbler. The other side, the reversible side, it's just redundant, but it looks nice. It's a nice little gimmick, and obviously you've got a very valuable gem inset into it there. Anyway, I've got 3 keys altogether for this, so it's a lovely lock to pick as well. I'm going to stick this in here, excuse me, just to protect the keyway a bit. Yeah, did I say I got this lock from Michael from Potti314? If I did, I apologise. If I didn't, then I apologise, Michael. Thank you ever so much for the lock. It's a beauty. Right, so I've got a hook number 1 and very light tension on this quite large tension wrench, but it fits nicely in this little groove here. Right, so to the back. A little bit of a creak on 4, a little bit of a thing on, little clip on 2, 3. A little bit on 5. Okay, a bit of counter rotation on 2 seems to be set. Okay, 3 is alright. A little bit of a creak there on 5. Okay, 1 is good, 2 is good. I think 3 is alright. Okay, on 4, bit of counter rotation on 4. Okay, a little bit on 3. So 3 has come into play. A little bit on 6. There we go, that's good. Feels alright. A little bit on 3. There we go on 4. Lovely. Okay, cool. Let's have a little gander inside this lock. Yes. Oh, I don't need to do any of this. Okay, we're all good. Hey. Nice, being prepared for a change. Okay, you can really feel the quality of this lovely lock. So 1 is standard, as is 2. And 3. 4, a bit sticky. Oh, that was fine actually. Could probably have benefited from a little bit of magic juice. WD-40. Okay, so I'm pretty sure there's nothing in the core. No. So let's have a little look up top. Let's see what goodies we have. Okay, we've got a nice long spool in number 1 and a similarly long spool in 2. Hey, I finally got one. So it's a toilet roll holder. Steensy, just for you, there's another one. And we have got 2 standards at the back. Great stuff. Obviously I did pick this, but I didn't gut it. Okay, nothing up there either. So just as a bit of a close-up. So we're all standard down the bottom. Actually, look, I don't know if you can see this, but the key pins have beveled sort of tops to them. That one got it? Yeah, that one's got a little bit of one too. Yeah, on there as well. Not really on there. Yeah, there is on there. Not on 6 at all. So the 2 little ones haven't got it, but the rest have. And that sort of, you have to sort of nudge the key pins up to get the drivers to clear the shear line. So interest in that. I like them. They're a really good idea. And up the top we've got 2 nice long spools, and then 2 well, toilet roll holders. What would they be? T-pins, I suppose. And then 2 standards. And there is nothing in there. Okay. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe and comment, and I will be back very soon with some more, and I'll catch you all then. Take it easy, be good.